can have this one. Finished. So let's go to the next one. Fine. So I was talking about the. Thank you, Vedant. So Pallavas. So you can consider Pallavas. Right. They have ruled from 575 to 897 AD. Right. So see, as like there was controversy about the origin of Aryans. Likewise, here again there is controversy about the origin of Pallavas. So some of the scholars are saying that the Pallavas are a local tribe who established their authority, right, in Tondai Mandalam, or right. So they will be called as the native, and some of are calling them native, right? But you can consider, so though there are controversies regarding their origin, right, but possibly Pallavas were considered as the local tribe. So Pallavas were Orthodox Brahmanical Hindus, right? So they have established their capital at Kanchi, right? So capital at Kanchi. So both Chalukyas and Pallavas tried to establish their supremacy over land between Krishna and Tungabhadra. You know, these are the two rivers called Krishna and Tungabhadra. So whatever may be the land in between these two rivers, right? So over there, Chalukyas as well as Pallavas have tried to establish their supremacy, right? So then, you know, as I said, Pallava king have invaded or occupied the Chalukyan capital, Vatappi, right, and assumed the title Vatappi Konda. So Pallavas were instrumental in spreading Indian culture in Southeast Asia, right? So till 8th century, Pallava influence was predominant in Cambodia, right? So you know it is one of the countries in the Central Asia. So the influence of Pallavas were predominant in Cambodia. Pallava type of shikhar, right? That is what the doctrines, sorry, shrines, right? Or you can consider sacred shrines of Hindus, right? So the Pallava type of shikhar is to be found in the temples of Java, Cambodia, and Annam. What was Middle East? Sorry, Southeast Asian countries are there, right? So there, Pallavas have their influence, and Pallava type of shikharas are even today found there, right, in their temples. They had begun the Dravida style of temple architecture, right? So Pallavas had begun the Dravid style of temple architectures, right? So which has okay. Then the development of temple architecture, particularly Dravid style under Pallavas, can be seen in 4 different kinds of stages, right? So whatever may be the Pallava rulers, right, you can consider. So there are 4 groups, right? So whatever the Dravidian style architectures have been developed by Pallavas, that were in 4 different groups or 4 different what you can consider the stages, right? The best word is. The Pallavas have also contributed to the development of sculpture in South India, right? So whatever the sculpture developed in South India, so in that Pallavas have contributed, right? Then Pallava sculpture is largely indebted to Buddhist tradition, right? So whatever may be the Pallava sculpture is there, so it is largely indebted largely to the Buddhist tradition. So it is more monumental and linear in the form, right? Therefore, avoiding a typical ornamentation, right, of the Deccan sculpture. So whatever the sculptures in Deccan, so which are beautifully ornamented, right? So whereas Pallavas sculpture was not that much ornamented, right? So that could be the art during the Pallavas, fine. So you can always consider these things, fine. So let's write about Pallavas, right? Though the controversy controversy is there, but possibly Pallavas were local tribe and established, so they have established their authority. Capital was Kanchi. Capital was Kanchi, right? So Pallavas as well as Chalukyas tried to establish their supremacy over the land between Krishna and Tungabhadra rivers. Fine. But later on, Pallavas have invaded Chalukyas, or you can consider conquered the Vatapi. So Pallavas were instrumental Pallavas had been instrumental in spreading Indian culture. Where in South East Asia. in Southeast Asia. So Pallavas influence was dominant, right? Sorry, predominant in Cambodia. In Cambodia, right? So any country in the world, at least you have heard its name, gone through its capital, right? Probably you have come across their languages, what we call national languages, right? So Cambodia, anyway, right? So Pallava, how the predominance was. Pallava type of shikharas, right? Shikhar, mandiraचं शिखर, right? Pallava type of shikhar to be found in the temple, right? Temples of Cambodia, Annam, Cambodia, Annam, and Java. Right. So Pallavas, right, began Dravid style, Dravidian style of temple architecture. Right. So Dravid style is a type of architecture of the temple. Fine. They also contributed. Pallavas also contributed to the development of sculpture right, in South India. In South India. Right. So they were largely indebted to Buddhist tradition. Buddhist tradition. Right. So what you can consider were more monumental and linear in form, right? Avoiding ornamentation, right? As like Deccan sculpture. Fine. So this is what you can consider about the Pallavas. If someone wants, you can. Done? Okay. Now, as I said, we at this moment we end the ancient Indian history. Right. Thank you, Rohit. So my next question is that, right, from next session or probably whatever. Okay, Danish. Or probably whatever the time remaining, right, or we can continue in this session. So what we should look, what we should start, because I wanted to take a pause as far as history is concerned. So we have reached to to an end of ancient Indian history. So we can change the topic or subject as well. Right? So you have different options. If you want to directly go for modern India, that is possible. If you want to go for the world history, that is also possible. Okay, fine. If you want to go for geography, that is also good. If you want to go for Indian polity, that is also a good one. So whatever you would like to go, you can suggest. At least individually you say that, so that we can see that on an average what happens. Or you can say that, sir, we can continue the history as it is. Right? So that is also possible. Okay. What about others? Geography. Okay. Someone else, please. Why don't you put your own opinions, Vedant? That's good. Okay. Others? See, it is mandatory for you to put your uh, choice or your preference. Not choice, I can consider preference. Nationalism, that is modern India. Right? Modern history you can consider. Indian politics. Yes, that would be the polity. Fine. Others? How many are attending? Let me check. Okay, 15. What about others? Geography. Okay. See, more are of opinion that history must be continued. Two are in the favor of geography. One is in the favor of polity. What about others? Put your preference, please. Okay, two politics, two geography, and remaining in the favor of history. See, all the three subjects are equally important, right? So, आज नव्हते ते तुम्हाला करायचे Okay, Shreyash have, I think, changed opinion. Okay, so let's count it in geography. Okay, another is in continue. That means what? History. So Rohit one. Yes, I'm also of this opinion that, right. So changing topic means you can go for nationalism, or you can consider it as modern history. That would be the option, right? If you want to go for the world history, that would be the option, right? So that's what I am asking. I think since a month, right? I think we have started on 31st July the history. Okay, Rohit, that would be fine. Don't worry about it. Anyway, so we will meet tomorrow. Fine. So here we will stop today. Okay, Sam, if anybody wants to ask anything. Yes, Elroy, you can. Anyway, you can. Even it is not all related to history, still you can ask it. Is it a complete statement, or something is associated with that? Yes. Elroy, I think you couldn't get. Okay, but there were other countries too, but they did reach before India. No, my question was to you that, so what you said, so India was the first to reach Mars, right? So that was the question. Or your question was, is really India is the first one, right? So now see, in this particular what I can consider, I will make it off. Uh, as far as the successful reach to the Mars, So the very first thing is that in the first attempt, right? In the first attempt, fine. So the first nation in the world to successfully reach the Mars in first attempt. Because of that, India is the first one. That was I had asked you. What was your sorry? Whatever the statement you have written is complete or not? So it was not complete. So you forgot the word first. So in the first attempt, right? That is the case, right? So another question you can put that India is the first Asian country, right? So that is what you can again consider in this one. Right. So that will be the answer to your question. Right.